Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's episode, I'm gonna be showing you how to download Brawlhalla application on your iPhone. So let's dive into the video right away. First of all, open your App Store from your iPhone. Go to the search box and type in Brawlhalla and search. You will come across the search result from where you'll need to pick this application from Ubisoft. Tap on the Get button to begin downloading the app. Brawlhalla is a fun platform fighting game with exciting features and engaging content. Whether you're a casual player looking for some fun with friends or competitive aspiring to climb the ranked ladder, with the fast-paced gameplay, diverse characters and thriving opportunities, Brawlhalla is sure to keep you entertained for hours on end. Once the application is downloaded, launch the app open and start enjoying. So that's how you will be able to download Brawlhalla application on your iPhone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again with the next episode. Goodbye till then.